Yes. Can you squeeze that in there for me?
Now go.
Thank you.
And that you're going like that, honey.
Yeah.
Maybe you're going like that, honey.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix that in. Cheers.
This is fun.